One designer, two homes. A tale of urban and villa elegance. Welcome to this exclusive showcase of two beautifully designed 3 BHKs by designer Aayushi Garg. In this episode, we are going to explore two distinct 3 BHKs of Bangalore and compare their placements, their design choices and style that makes each of the homes stand out. Both homes reflect the designer's signature balance of style and function, with unique details tailored to each homeowner's taste, from Rohit's grounded neutral elegance to Soumya's vibrant storage smart design. Thank you so much for joining us in this exclusive showcase of two distinct 3 BHKs by designer Aayushi Garg. We really hope you loved the personalized touches especially that we added to each space. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing home tours. Also, you can book a free design consultation with DesignCafe if you're also looking out for such amazing home transformation. I'll see you again in the next video.